Most people over 60 wake up, do the same morning routine they've done for 20 years, and never once question whether it's hurting them. I didn't either. But here's what nobody tells you. Some of the most dangerous things happening to your heart right now aren't happening in a doctor's office. They're happening between the moment your alarm goes off and the moment you walk out your front door. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 4 common morning habits that research now suggests may be quietly putting stress on your heart, and most people over 60 are doing at least 2 of them before breakfast. And I'll tell you this right now, one of them involves something almost every single American does within the first 10 minutes of waking up. Something that feels completely harmless. Something your parents probably did too. If your heart health matters to you, and I know it does or you wouldn't be here, stay with me. Because what I'm about to share might be the most important 5 minutes of your morning. The very first thing millions of Americans over 60 do every single morning is reach for their phone. I know, it sounds harmless. Maybe even a little silly to call it dangerous. But here's what's actually happening inside your body in those first moments after you wake up. Your heart is in what researchers call a vulnerable window. Your blood pressure naturally spikes in the early morning. It's called the morning surge, and for people over 60, that surge can be significantly more pronounced than it was at 40. Now add to that the immediate jolt of stress information, news alerts, messages, emails, social media, flooding your brain before it has even fully woken up. Early research suggests that psychological stress in this specific morning window may amplify that blood pressure spike in ways that put real strain on the heart and arterial walls. And here's what catches most people off guard. You don't feel it. There's no pain, no warning signal. Your heart just quietly absorbs that stress, morning after morning, year after year. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple, and I'll give it to you before this video ends. But first, the second morning mistake. And this one is going to surprise you even more. The second habit that may be quietly stressing your heart every single morning is one most people consider healthy. Drinking a large glass of ice-cold water first thing. Now before you close this video, stay with me. Hydration first thing in the morning is genuinely good for you. That part is true. But the temperature matters more than almost anyone talks about. When you drink ice-cold water on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, your body, which has just spent 8 hours in a lower temperature sleep state, responds by constricting blood vessels as it works to protect your core temperature. For a person over 60 whose arteries are already less flexible than they were at 35, that sudden vascular constriction is an extra burden the heart has to work against, right at the moment when it is already navigating that natural morning blood pressure surge. Room temperature water. That's the switch. One of the smallest changes you can make. One of the most overlooked. Now the third habit. And this one directly involves what you eat, or more accurately, what you don't eat in the first hour after waking up. Skipping breakfast entirely, or replacing it with just coffee, is one of the most common morning patterns for Americans over 60. It feels disciplined. It feels like you're being careful about calories. But here is what most people don't realize. When you skip food and send caffeine into an empty stomach first thing in the morning, your cortisol, your primary stress hormone, is already at its natural daily peak. Coffee amplifies that cortisol spike. And cortisol, when chronically elevated in the morning, has been associated in early research with increased inflammation, elevated blood pressure, and added strain on the cardiovascular system over time. You don't have to eat a full breakfast, but something small, a handful of walnuts, 1 apple, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, gives your body an anchor before the caffeine hits. Stay with me, because the fourth habit is the one most people argue with me about the most. And it is probably the one doing the most quiet damage. The fourth morning habit slowly damaging your heart after 60 is using the wrong cooking oil for your breakfast, or eating processed breakfast foods made with refined seed oils. Here's the problem hiding in plain sight. Refined vegetable oils, canola, sunflower, soybean, corn, are in almost every packaged breakfast product in America. Cereals, granola bars, packaged eggs, pre-made breakfast sandwiches, even products labeled heart healthy. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids. And while omega-6 imbalance is not harmful, the ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 in the average American diet over 60 is now estimated to be as high as 20 to 1, when research suggests a healthy ratio is closer to 4 to 1. That imbalance creates a low-level inflammatory environment in the body. And chronic low-grade inflammation is now understood to be one of the primary drivers of long-term cardiovascular stress. The replacement, and this is where the morning actually starts working for your heart instead of against it, is extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound early research suggests may have anti-inflammatory properties, combined with its monounsaturated fats, which may help support healthy LDL cholesterol levels over time. It is one of the most researched single food compounds in cardiovascular wellness. Add to that 1 crushed raw garlic clove on an empty stomach 10 minutes after crushing to allow allicin activation, and you have 2 of the most studied natural cardiovascular support compounds working together every single morning. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 crushed garlic clove, 1 small piece of fruit instead of a processed snack. That is the entire replacement routine. Nothing complicated, nothing expensive, everything your kitchen already has. So let me bring this together for you before you go. For morning habits that research now suggests may be quietly adding stress to your heart after 60. Reaching for your phone before your nervous system has had 60 seconds to wake up properly. Drinking ice-cold water on an empty stomach when your blood vessels are already navigating their natural morning constriction. Sending caffeine into an empty system when cortisol is already at its daily peak. And eating breakfast foods made with refined seed oils that may be quietly tipping your body's inflammatory balance in the wrong direction. Morning after morning. None of these feel dramatic. None of them announce themselves. That is exactly what makes them worth knowing about. The good news, and I want to make sure you leave here with the good news, is that every single one of these has a simple replacement. And not one of them requires a prescription, a supplement, or anything you don't already own. Let your phone wait 10 minutes after you wake up. Drink room temperature water first. Eat something small before your coffee. Replace refined oils with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 crushed garlic clove when you're ready. One important note before you go. If you take blood thinners or have acid reflux, please talk to your doctor before adding raw garlic to your morning routine, as it can interact with certain medications. Your doctor is always your first call. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these 4 habits do you recognize in your own morning? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one, and sometimes your answers become the next video. If this was useful to you, the subscribe button is right there, because every week I bring you one more honest look at the small daily habits that either work for your heart or quietly work against it. I'll see you in the next one.